Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday today. Yes, as of July 20th, I'm 41 years old. Can you believe it? Well, last year I turned 40 and it was more of a bigger celebration with some close friends, and I had this pretty amazing birthday cake. But this year, I just wanted to keep things low key. So my husband and I, we will be going to a nice French restaurant in the city. I do have an unboxing that I wanted to share with you guys, and I couldn't be more excited. Before we get into the unboxing, I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury handbag reviews and a lot of neutrals on this channel. I love it if you would like and subscribe. So perhaps by this bag, some of you may know what it is. Here we go. Yay! We have the 21S in the Chanel Mini in the dark beige. Now, isn't this perfection for my collection? I'm so excited for this handbag. I actually think it goes perfectly with my dress. So yeah, this is in the lambskin. It's just a beautiful leather, and we have the light gold hardware. What I love about this handbag is when 21S came out, I did love the shade, because some of you may recall I have the 19B, which probably most resembles this in that darker beige tone, but it is a different tone. And when 21S came out, they have the iridescent, and I actually did not want the iridescent. I preferred to have a handbag without it, and this is what I could find in the beautiful mini. Plus, who can resist this cute mini bag? So I just want to do a quick comparison between these two dark beige beauties. We have the 19B and then the 21S and the mini. This 19B looks like it has more of a warmer undertone to it and a little bit more sheen. Whereas this 21S, I think of this as more cooler in tone. I would also call it more taupe. This leather is the lambskin, so I will be a little bit more careful with it, but I think the lambskin is perfect when you are talking about having it in more of a mini size. It's just less area to worry about when it comes to scratching or damaging more of that delicate lambskin. Yeah, I will wear this as a crossbody bag, and I'm just really excited to use this bag. I haven't used her at all yet. She's just been sitting there waiting for my video. In terms of the mini size, this type of handbag, I'm all about just fitting a couple of my essentials. I really don't put a lot in my handbags when it comes to like card holder, sunglasses, a lipstick, and maybe one other item, but that's pretty much it. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you again for joining me on my birthday. It means so much to me that you guys are watching my channel. I love to hear what you think of my newest mini in my collection. I adore it, and you know I love a good beige bag. So, okay guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.